In a landmark judgment on April 30th, 2025, the Supreme Court of India ruled that inclusive and meaningful digital access to e-governance and welfare delivery systems is a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution. The bench, comprising Justices J.B. Pardiwala and R. Mahadevan, emphasized the state's constitutional obligation to ensure digital inclusion for the marginalized, underprivileged, disabled, and historically excluded communities. Justice R. Mahadevan, authoring the judgment, stated that the right to digital access is an integral part of the right to life and liberty. He underlined that the digital ecosystem must be proactively designed to include all, not just the privileged few. The judgment was delivered in response to petitions filed by disability rights activist Pragya Prasoon, who raised serious concerns about the digital Know Your Customer (KYC) process. The court noted that individuals with facial trauma, disfigurement, and visual impairments face significant barriers in completing digital KYC processes, including difficulties in following visual instructions and positioning their faces within on-screen frames. The Apex Court observed that the digital environment, rather than empowering, has further excluded these vulnerable populations. The Supreme Court issued 20 directions to the Union government to make digital KYC processes inclusive and accessible. The bench highlighted that in today's world, access to essential services, education, healthcare, and economic opportunities is increasingly digital. Bridging the digital divide, it said, is no longer a matter of policy, but a constitutional necessity to uphold dignity, autonomy, and equality. The court invoked the principle of substantive equality and held that the digital transformation must be inclusive and equitable. It also pointed out the challenges faced by rural communities, linguistic minorities, and economically weaker sections, including poor connectivity and lack of regional language content. The judgment directs the state to ensure that all digital platforms and services are accessible and responsive to every citizen, especially the vulnerable.